Python's logging module is essential for debugging and monitoring applications in production. It provides structured logging with severity levels, configurable outputs, and minimal performance impact. This allows developers to track application behavior, identify errors, and conduct post-mortem analysis efficiently, enhancing the reliability and maintainability of software systems. Traditional debugging with print is limited and unstructured. Python's logging framework provides a professional solution with severity levels and configurable outputs. It allows tracking application behavior, identifying errors, and monitoring performance without modifying deployed code. For instance, logging can reveal issues like database connection pool exhaustion, saving hours of debugging and preventing future incidents. Python's built-in logging module offers a standardized event logging system, available from version 2.3 onwards. It features 5 severity levels: debug, info, warning, error, and critical, allowing precise message classification. Logs can be directed to various destinations, including console, files, and HTTP endpoints, supporting diverse deployment needs. Logging levels are crucial for managing application behavior. Debug 10 captures detailed diagnostics for developers. Info 20 confirms normal operations. Warning 30 signals potential issues without halting execution. Error 40 highlights serious problems affecting functionality. Critical 50 indicates severe errors threatening system stability. Each level's numeric value helps prioritize and filter log messages effectively. The debug level captures all diagnostic details essential for development. Info tracks major milestones and successful operations. Warning signals potential issues like deprecated application programming interfaces. Error highlights failed operations needing attention, such as database connection failures. Critical indicates catastrophic failures, like system crashes, demanding immediate action. The basic config method in Python's logging module sets up the root logger with a specified level and format. This allows logging of messages at various levels: debug for diagnostics, info for successful operations, warning for potential issues, error for failures, and critical for severe problems. This minimal setup provides immediate logging capabilities with concise code.